Let me show you how to do a needle felted heart. For this, you're going to need a foam cushion. That's going to be your surface when you're needle felting. You'll need a needle felting tool, which is extremely sharp, and you're going to need something to needle felt on. I'm using craft felt, but really you can needle felt on any fabric surface. You will need wool roving, and it's important that you pull the wool roving off, just like I'm doing, as if it's cotton candy. Never cut it with scissors. And then you might want to get a wooden skewer. This is going to hold the wool roving in place as you use your needle felting tool and keep your fingers out of the way so they don't accidentally get poked. Keeping your needle felting tool as vertical as you can, your goal is to force the fibers of wool roving to the other side of the fabric, thus kind of anchoring it into place. It's important you keep the needle felting tool vertical because if you start to bend it or attempt to, it's going to snap and break. So if you do get some of these needles, you probably want to get quite a few because as a beginner, you might do just that. Whenever you're not using your needle felting tool, it's important to anchor it into the side of the foam. If you've ever done wet felting, you probably know that it uses a lot of wool roving. The great thing about needle felting is it's the opposite. You'll actually use a lot less than you think. And what I like to do is think of it as painting with fibers. You'll want to do it kind of in layers. So start with the thin layer because you can always build from there. To finish it off and to further felt it in place, you can give it a very low setting iron on the back.